This is why you hire professionals to do a job that you don't know anything about. These boys are going to mount these tires on this John Deere tractor, and I was going to try to do it by myself, but well, you know, I don't even know hardly bowel movements from wild honey, but I sure didn't know anything about this. And this is a two-man job, and they probably need jacks and things like that. Sure, now he's going to raise it up a little bit, I bet. Hell, he's got an air jack. WW. Stands for WW. Look at that. I'd have been there the rest of my life trying to do that. There's a reason that people will actually hire professionals. That is going to be pretty wide, but enough to just live with it. Okay, now we know the rest of the story. And with that, we bid you adieu.